Hey guys, Gavin back again from thrivewp.com. Today we're going to look at WordPress comments and how you manage spam. So WordPress being as popular as it is, quite often attracts spam in the comment sections of many websites and blog posts. I'd be very surprised if you haven't had a spam comment on your site, no matter how big or small it is. Um, it happens all the time. So there's a couple of kind of ways you can go about it. You can either decide to not allow comments, full stop, remove comments from your site altogether, um, and that can be done really easily. You can just turn it all off. You can install a plugin that blocks it from everywhere, um, and kind of have done with it. Really, leave it at that. But if you do want to allow comments, if you have a website that is going to have or does have active community around it and people are going to comment and so on, then you'll want to allow comments, but you want to kind of find a way to manage them. So in this video, that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at how you can manage the spam that comes through. And it's pretty simple, really. So you'd go to your WordPress admin dashboard, and you need to scroll down to settings, and then you go to discussion. And within the discussion settings, there's a couple of different options that you need to have a look at. So what we have here is we have allow people to post comments on new articles. So we've selected that so people can comment. Okay, and then we've got the comment author must fill out a name and email. So that gives you a bit of a basis then to kind of check if they're a spammer or not. And again, the other important ones to look at really around comments specifically is the last few options down here. So we want to be emailed every time a comment is made, so we know straight away that a comment's been made. We can go and have a look and check. Okay, and we also want it to be held for moderation. So what we do down here, okay, is at the moment we've got it set to the comment can appear on our website, live on our website, as long as the commenter has got a previously approved comment. So if we have them both checked, their first comment we'd have to manually approve. If we've approved that, then we're kind of assuming that, if they comment again later on, then they're probably okay to just let it through. However, you can turn that off, and you can just manually approve every single comment that comes through. So if you want to be really strict about it, you could do that. It depends how many kind of comments you're getting through as well, because obviously the more comments you got, there's going to be a lot more work of you reviewing all the comments. So the other thing you can do, you can hold comments in a queue, and you can also kind of moderate comments with content filters. So you can look at common words that are used or spammy URL addresses, IP addresses. So you can kind of start looking for things like that in the comments that are being made, and then you can kind of blacklist some of those. So it might be that we've all seen them. You get like pharmaceutical companies and stuff like that. Well, you can then filter that word in the blacklist. So any comments including that, they're just going to be filtered out, and you're not going to get them live on your site at all anyway. That's probably the best way to do, to manage a lot of the spam stuff, because it is mostly automated computers, basically bots, that are just trawling sites, chucking out spam comments all over the place with links. So yeah, you can still allow comments. It's just better if you kind of, I would say, select to manually approve, and then you can look at each comment that comes through. If you're happy with it, you can make it live on your site. It's better to do that than have lots of spam comments live on your website until you realize, and then you take them off. That just gives a bad impression of your site. You get lots of spammy links on your website. Ultimately, if it's left unchecked, for a long time, then it could potentially, affect your rankings. If your site is linking out to like some really bad sites, your users aren't going to like that very much. They may not visit as much. It's all going to have a knock-on effect to your ranking in the end. So yeah, that's how you manage comments in WordPress, specifically spam comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, please subscribe so you can be notified of when our next video is live. And if you want us to make any other videos, let us know. See you again.